Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss about our topic that's name is mental strategy for addition subtraction, page number 56. So here we have another the first example. Let's start this. Okay. First of all, here are the some example of the calculation strategy. Some are correct, but some are not. Okay, so we need to find which one is correct and which one is not correct. And the first part, the where he write calculation, that is the questions. Okay, so with the help of questions, you just tell me you like either the strategy is correct or not. First, need to find the number that is closest to any number that is in the form of multiple of hundreds. Okay, let's suppose. Here I have 1997. So how many we add to make it 997? So what we need to do here is already minus. So minus, and we need to, this calculation is correct. How? Let me tell you. Okay. Why it's correct? Because here is already 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it's not working? 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2000. Okay, so if you write plus 3, so you must write minus 3. Let's suppose I write minus 3 plus 3, so minus minus plus. Okay, sorry, here we write here 1997. Okay, so minus minus plus, so what we would need to write here, we need to write here 3 4 5 6 minus 2000. Okay, plus 3, so that's right. So it's mean because this minus is add with 1997. Okay, so the plus is left, so it's mean this one is correct. Okay, so the next one here already plus 1. Okay, so but if he write here like 427 plus 200 sorry 199, 199. So if you add 1, so you need 1. Okay, so if you write plus 1, so you also need minus 1. If you do minus 1, so answer must be 198, not 200. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 4 to 7 plus 200 minus 1. Okay, that is the right answer, but he mentioned here is plus 1, so that is a wrong. It's a correct. This one is wrong. Okay, as it is like that, which one is correct? Here he said, yeah, this one is also correct. Okay, uh, and minus this one is wrong. Okay, because if here is minus, okay, so the last must be plus. If here is plus, so last must be minus. Here is minus, the last must be plus. So that is also correct. Okay, so the rest of them I put here to true and true. Okay, so these question I hope you understand. So let's move to next part. Okay, copy and complete the spider diagram. This one is called a spider diagram. With the help of this, you can tell me, you can make the same number like the center number. Okay, just you add any digit, like he's adding 0 in the last. Okay, so he will get its answer 45, but here he gets its answer 450. As it is same, he's writing here, he just put, I put 2 0 here and 2 put 0 here. So, okay, so I will get this answer, so accordingly I will get answer, that is 4500. Here is 45,000. So here is 0.45, here is 4.5, here is 0.45. So let me show you the answers of this question. Okay. Same like that, you can, I will put first of all 10 here and here, so I will get 910. Here is 91. Okay, when I put 20 here after 6300 and 2800, so I get answer 9100. Okay, so once if I put a point in between these two numbers, so I will get 9.1, and if I put a point before this like 0.63, 0.28, so I get answer 0.91. And same like this we are solving the rest of the questions. Question number 3 is, what are the numbers, okay, that you are using? Just so you can see here, um,
Now, what number is 199 more than 527? Okay, what number is 199? So here we mention 199. Just a moment. 199 and more than 527. 527. What number is 199 more than 570? Let me check. Okay, so here it's more means you are just adding these numbers. Okay, so what you need to do is you just add all these numbers. Okay, so how you add these numbers? So let's suppose it's a 200, so it's 227. Okay, let's suppose, yeah, so its answer is equal to 726. 726. Okay, so let me confirm this. 726. Okay, seem like this difference here, the difference mean minus between 1994, 1900. Here I mentioned 1994, 94 and 4003. So minus 4003. No, so you write 4000 in the start. 4003 minus now 19900 in this. So what answer you will get? You will get your answer if I add 4003 minus, here I add 2000, 2000. Okay, plus 6. So which answer I get? It's 2003 and 2009. So what is your answer? 2009. So that is equal to 2009. Okay, so same like this you are solve the rest of the questions that you see here. Okay, so find the total 900 997 and 997 997 and 400 400. So total mean plus 413. 430. What is the answer of this question? 3. Let's suppose I give him 3 more, so it's equal to plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so because whenever you write plus 3, so you must write minus 3, so it's equal to 1000. Okay, so then plus 430 minus 3. Okay, so what is the answer? We are minusing 400. Okay, so which answer we will get? We will get answer that is equal to uh, so here we also write like that 1000 plus 410. Okay, so once I cancel this 400, so 600 left and again 1, so 590 left. Okay, so that is the answer. So let's see. Sorry, here we are adding, so it's a 1400, not minus. I'm just subtracting, but actually here is adding. So its answer is equal to 1400 and 1410. Okay, that is the answer. Let's move on. The other question. Here we have another. It's a meta strategy for multiplication. Okay, what you need to do, these are the table. Okay, with the help of this you can easily find all the numbers. Let's suppose here are the method of calculation, like 15 multiplied by 7. So what he need to do, he will divide this 15 into two parts. First of all, he divide into 10, and then he divides the same number with 5. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 7 70, 5 multiplied by 7 35. So he add all these numbers. Same like this, you also try to do the same thing here. Let's suppose I said to you, here is 18 multiplied by, your question is 18 multiplied by 7. So what you need to do, first you write 10 multiplied by 7 and then you write 8 multiplied by 7. Okay, so that is equal to 70. Okay, and down here that is equal to uh, 56. Okay, so once you add all these numbers, okay, so 18 multiplied by 7, okay, 18 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 6, and 7 plus 12, 12. Okay, so 126, that is the answer. Okay, so you need to do the same thing here. Okay, let me draw a line here as well. Okay, so you can add all these numbers here, you can add these numbers. Okay, so then you will get your final answer. Okay, the rest of question I will show you their answer, which will do the same thing. Okay, here are the question number one. This one is the answer. Okay, now start question number two. Question number two is for, I think, yeah, it's for minus. Okay, so which thing we need to do here? And why it's minus? Let's suppose here I write here the 40 multiplied by, because here give me 39. So I add 1 on this number because that is closer to the multiple of 10. Okay, like 40. So I give him 1. If I give him 1, so I take off my 1 as well. Okay. So if I write plus 1, so I write minus 1 as well. So we need to write like that, like right here 39 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, that is in brackets. Okay, so here, so this all we are multiplying with 5. Okay, let's suppose this finish 39 plus 1 40 minus 1. Okay, they are all multiplied with 5. So first of all I write multiply 5 here and also multiply by 5 here. So 40 multiplied by 5, that is 200, and 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5. So we'll just minus this, so we'll get your answer, that is 195, same as it is he in this question. Okay, so what he add 1. Okay, so if he add 1, so he also minus 1. So 7 multiplied by 5 35. Okay, so I will put 0 in the last, and 1 multiplied by 7 7. So in this number I minus 7, so I get answer 343. Okay, okay, let's solve another question, that is 99. Okay, so the question is 99 multiplied by 8. Okay, so 99, if we add 1, so it's equal to 100. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 8, and 1 multiplied by 8. Okay, so on the top, that is equal to 800, and the bottom that is equal to 8. So this one is for minus, remember this thing. Okay, now here, once I add all this, so answer question is 99 multiplied by 8, that is equal to um 792. Okay, that is the answer. Here are the answers, so you can check this out. So the rest of questions are same. So here we have the other question. Here you, before this you are adding the number, but here you are subtracting the numbers. Okay, once you subtract, it's equal to 40. Okay, so you write 1 here. So 40 multiplied by 6, that is 240. 240 plus 6, that is 246. So that is easy for you. Same like this, you have solved the rest of the question. So question number 4, you can see 42 multiplied by 8 equal to 316. So 21 multiplied by 16 equal to 7. It's the same. Okay. Let's suppose if I divide this by 2. Okay. If I divide here, so other side I will multiply. Okay. Let's go, I divide, that is equal to 42. And if I multiply this, it's also equal to 42. So what is 42 multiplied by 2? 42, that is same. Okay, and here's 37, here's 14. We cannot divide this. If we do, if we divide 18, yes, so it's 28 multiplied by 18. So the answer must be same. Okay, so you are also use strategy, this type of question last time. These questions will come in your, in here in the final exam. Okay, so I hope you understand. So here are the answers. So take care, goodbye. I hope you understand all. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me at any time. Take care.